Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make section break in Google Docs. Open your Docs file, Docs file. Now break this page here, section. Now select insert option and scroll your mouse. Here you will find this break option. Now select here two kinds of break, section break next page and section break continuous. Firstly I will create next page section break and see this. Already started this section, next page. I'll create here continuous section break, insert forward, break section continuous. Also I'll create here section, next page, and already open new page. Now I'll check this section break, click view option and show non-printing characters and see this section already showing here next page, and this continuous section break already showing here, also showing here section break next page. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.